Hello friends, our today's topic is simple carbs and complex carbs. What are simple carbohydrates and what are complex carbohydrates? I would request you that you should first know what are the example of simple carbs and what are the example of complex carbs. So the example of simple carbs are sweet. Anything that is sweet comes under simple carbs. Anything that is sugary comes under simple carbs. Rice, potato, banana, mango, watermelon, grapes, and any fruit juice comes under simple carbohydrates. Now you would see major of the fruits are in the simple carbohydrates. Now which fruits comes under complex carbohydrates? Like apple and oranges are the two fruits which come under complex carbohydrate. Rest any other fruits will be coming under simple carbohydrates. And any fruit juice, if you take fruit juice of apple and orange, that would be coming under simple carbohydrates too, because the apple cover and the oranges cover helps them to slow down the digestion process. And the other example of complex carbohydrates are leafy vegetables, sweet potato, and salads. These were the examples of simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. Now I would explain what are the how the simple carbohydrates work and how the complex carbohydrates work. The simple carbohydrates, it has another name like high glycemic food, high glycemic, and low glycemic. High and low glycemic. The meaning of high glycemic is which digest fast, and compared to this, which digest slow. Now in fitness industry or you are doing a bodybuilding, you should always prefer complex carbohydrates than to the simple carbohydrate. Now the reason why we prefer complex carbohydrates, the name high glycemic and low glycemic. One more thing to say, the glycemic word might be not familiar to you, but let me tell you tell an example. This muscle is called bicep and this muscle is called tricep. Everyone knows, but you should know this is not an English language, this is Latin language. By hearing from our bodybuilders from the various section, we came to know that it is bicep, tricep. So similarly, by hearing, keep on hearing, we will be getting with the word, we will be familiar with the word glycemic, we will be familiar with the word simple and complex carbohydrates. Now how does I will first show you how the complex carbohydrates work. Whenever we eat food, suppose whenever we eat complex carbohydrates, the example that I have showed, whenever you will eat, it would first enter first basket, which is blood glycogen. Then it would enter our liver. Then it would go to our muscles. So whenever your certified fitness trainer would give you a diet plan, he would be telling that consume 50 grams of complex carbohydrates or 30 to 40 grams of complex carbohydrates. If you follow his diet plan or her diet plan, the food will travel to the muscle. If you go on eating further, then it would go on to the last bucket, which is fat. As I said, these three are limited section and fat is unlimited. It would keep on filling and it will keep on filling till you eat. This was the movement of complex carbohydrate. This is the reason bodybuilders and fitness industry, we prefer complex carbohydrate because it travels through muscles. But if we consider simple carbohydrates, whenever we eat simple carbohydrates, the example that I have shown, it would travel to the blood glycogen, but it would directly jump onto the fat. It would never go onto our muscles. So whenever you are eating simple carbohydrates and you are telling that I am getting a big size, that size is actually of fat, it is not of muscles. If you really want a good muscles, if you really want a good cutting, you should always have complex carbohydrates. So that was the major difference why we prefer complex carbohydrates and why we prefer simple carbohydrates. If you want more example, you can Google what are the more examples of complex carbohydrates and what are more examples of simple carbohydrates. Note down the simple carbohydrates and then add in your diet plan and avoid all the simple carbohydrates. Even though it would look like you are eating simple carbohydrates and you are gaining size, but that size is not of muscle, the size is of fat, because anything that you eat of simple carbohydrates goes in fat. Now you would say that we don't have to eat simple carbohydrates. There are specific time in our day that we can have simple carbohydrates. Simple carbohydrate, the permission to have simple carbohydrates is only two times. First is early morning and second is after workout. Then that too in a limited proportion, not in the high proportion. So this was all about simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. In further videos, I will be delivering more information that will be benefiting you for your daily bodybuilding life and for your fitness. For next video, stay tuned, and thank you for this video.